Okay, so now they are waiting for food. My daughters and my niece are devise the food. Ta với đôi sẽ mất mà đom ai sẽ ta đôi sẽ mất này mà đom ai mà nó lên nó còn the chicken nó không năng bay nó mà đom ai à môi nó lợt tay ha ta này có phải bay kỳ mà miền sạch em mà đom ai về mau đom mất con rồi sạch mà đom. So many people to help today. I'm happy because I'm so tired every day because I have to come alone and do alone because I do separate from my husband. My husband he doing 2 pagoda and I do 2 pagoda and 1 shelter. So we do separate. If we do together, it takes very long time. And yeah, we don't have time to go back to do some small restaurant because we have a small restaurant for making money to buy their food every day. But now it's raining season and it's very hard to make money for this time. So yeah, every day it's not raining season, but it's very hard also. But this time it's raining season, it's more harder. But we still to make money for their food, but it's very hard. So we need more donation also for feeding them. Here, this is one more, and you know, because we have many animals now, we have about 85 dogs and cats a lot, and some kittens abandoned. Kẹp không còn ta đã cho cho mẹ bán xí tề. That's you see my daughter, she dropped the food there and then they take his food, so she's going back to take the food for him. Vô với tay ngày hãy đánh với chanh. Kiki. Cá pia sen. Okay, we have to protect him because he's not you know, he's scared of the other, and then the other will take his food. That's why we have to protect. Every time when we come to feed the animal, we not just drop the food and then we let them eat by themselves, because we have to protect someone that need to care about feeding. Because if we don't care, the other will take their food and then they cannot eat. My daughter just protect. They're very naughty. Tốc bài ta khăn nó khla và sân trên nơi sao. Nó môi so nó ta ban si nó. No. Hồi so bên pi nè. Si hai hả? Bạn này chà. Okay, so now today is Sunday, so we have time. Yeah. So after they finish the food, and then we prepare the plates and then we go to the next place. Today I bring some beef bone for them to chewing. Some are chewing the bone. The beef bone is good. This is long beef bone that they can chew and they can clean the teeth. This one, they can chew and then can clean their teeth. ប្រមូលថាសដាក់បាយបញ្ចូលគ្នាប្រមូលថាសទៅរួចហើយប្រមូលថាសដាក់បាយបញ្ចូលគ្នាហើយលាងទឹកនេះដាក់កាត់លើនេះវិញ Okay. តាទៅដេញអាខេមណ៎ That one. She's very naughty and then she just go to take the cat food, but luckily I feed the cat already and then they just left over some food, so it's okay. So ចាក់បាយចូលគ្នានេះអានេះចាក់បញ្ចូលគ្នាទៅគោះវាខ្លាំងឲ្យចូលអស់ទៅកុំឲ្យសល់បាយមកគោះថ្នមម្ល៉េះ So we prepare to take the plates. Một ác ta đi sao? Một chứ một cái nụ ăn nông muối hay nè liêng tắc này đi sao? Nụ ta nó plate tiệt rồi. Ta? Nên kia này tiệt. No. Stop fighting. Ám up. Ta mô mau. Còn lại show mơ nó kê phơi dương rồi đa vào mồ mơ nè anh ấy cô phải cho cái mọi. So we clean the plates and then we go to the next place. Okay? See you at the next place. Now we are coming to the next place and the other animals are here. They are so happy. You see here? Okay, we go. Here we go. Okay, we go there, baby. No. Okay, we go. They are very happy. So we go to feed them. Ma, okay. Now we are arriving at the other place in pagoda for feeding the animal. As you see, we have some animal are waiting here. Oh, it's raining. You see the water. It's the raindrops. Liêm sẵn ở pi tận đầm. Nên này tiệt tha này tiệt. Nè. We are preparing and we clean the plates. Shh. Giặt lẹ tắc cái này nó bị sao chuột tê. Liêng ta đang ta tay bập giặt lẹ tắc. Ta, vô cho này mà đã ra cho nè. It's raining. We have sorry. We have the other place that we need to feed to. So now it starts to rain. You see the water? It's raindrops coming. They are waiting. We clean the plate first. Ta chui vô thang mà còn à thang na hai vô mà không mà. Rachana, mơ chai phong giặt đam Rachana si. As you see, today we have to come early, but we are afraid the rain's coming because it's always rain in the evening. But you know it's raining. Yeah, it starts raining. You know what we expect. Okay, so the plate is done. Yo bye mà. So we take the food out. Vô cho này chón. Hãy đặt vô bài đi chanh mắc lắm ạ. Chả cho nông chan cho này nữa. Đó coi. Vượt nó lâu rồi ăn tới mình chạy cho nông chan cái này mơ chạy lệ bài nó dụ bài nó mới chạy cho nông chan cái này mình cho ăn theo cái nào mà thập bàn môn phliêng miền ấy phliêng mền của phliêng tới phải của việc đánh bài. Ôi mà ngày đi phải tại nát mà có hai là ngột đà chạp lắm đặt ở bên mặt thang nâng tay vô bay bẹ cái đá trên môi cái pi từng đó mạch bắn cho đấy ạ. We have 12 dogs here, so 4 are still puppies and 8 adults. You see the black one there, she's barking, she's green, she's hungry, she want to say that she's hungry. Hurry up. Okay, it's already. Oh, dog guy. Maybe he play in the mud. You see here. Oh, but that's okay. So many water, so he can clean himself. Sốc chết cùi nè ha pliêng đã chát anh ơi anh. It's under the roof, so away from rain. Nọ Lily nè nọ vô Lily việc lại tranh vô chan đã đại việc tới hay mau mình việc ập ni tề việc thì chỗ đại việc tới hay mau mình bố việc ập ni mình đúng không? Okay, now they are eating. We are done for this place, so we just wait a little bit when they finish the food, so we will prepare and clean the place. Okay, chan rồi hai mồ khạc hơi. Cô phải choគ្នាទៅកុំឲ្យចោលស្ដាយទុកឲ្យពួកវាស៊ីគោphảiចូលគ្នា We have only 1 cat here and 12 dogs. And the cat here, she's like a boss. She doesn't allow anyone to come here, and then she doesn't like any kittens. Okay, we're done for this place, so we have to go there because we have some dogs are waiting. You see there, because they have parties, they can't come together. Oh, they have to stay there. Oh, so funny! You see, they just stay with the monk. The monk use umbrella, and then they stay with the monk there. Oh my God! They don't go to the shed, and then they just stay together with the monk. Okay, so we have to go to the next place. Thank you. See you in the next video. Okay, the next video. Chăm đại cột tha sân cồn đại mà đong muối á, có biết xì áo muối và trâu muối tiệt, chắc áp xẻ ban xì tề. Chăm tục mà tha, ai mạ tao mộc, ê tục buôn tha, giờ đấy, tục buôn tha, à pi nơi hàng nóc hay năng pi nơi hàng mộc. Lấy thêm mấy tục buôn tha, này cho đây chả thai mà hồn. Này ta đây đã thai ta, lưu mạ hai cái này giờ này đã thai mà. Chả cho lắm. Complex nọ nâng cái bài mà tô cái bài ấy phong hả? They devise the food. I feed the cats already. The cat must be eat first. Okay. ចាំបានម៉ាក់និយាយថាឲ្យចាក់ឲ្យគ្រប់ថាសសិនចាំតម្លាក់ដល់ពេលដាក់ម្ដងមួយអាស៊ីអស់ស៊ីថែមហាអត់បានស៊ីគឺអត់បានស៊ីទេនោះម៉ារីមកឲ្យម៉ារីប្រយ័ត្នពួកនេះវាយអាចអត់បានស៊ីទេអត់ចទៅយកមកថាទីមកឲ្យម៉ារីណែយកបោះម៉ារីឲ្យម៉ាក់ម៉ារីណែម៉ារីមកម៉ាក់អត់មកទេ I have to protect her because they will take her food 4មើលណាអត់បានស៊ីថែមឲ្យតិចទៅព្រោះនៅក្នុង2រួចហើយចាំប្រមូលថាsorry មើលអត់ថាណាអត់នេះឲ្យប្រមូលឲ្យហើយកូនប្រមូលឲ្យយកមកដាក់កាប់លើនេះតែកុំដាក់កាប់លើគ្នាពួកអីវាប្អូនដាក់ត្រូវការ4ថាសអូម៉ារីចេះមកខាងនេះលោកក្រដងដែរមកទេយប់ពេកវាអត់ហ៊ានមកទេគេវាយមីមួយកូនខ្ចីមកនៅមួយកូនខ្ចីយកមកថាសទៅឲ្យវានៅកន្លែងកូនខ្ចីកន្លែងកូនខ្ចីមកកត់លោកកូនOkay, so my daughter she's bringing the food to the other dogs in front. Every time when I'm coming alone, you know, my head is blending like spore because too many things, too many animals. I have to protect someone, and you know, my eyes and my brain is look like a blending machine. It's very hard, but I'm happy because I'm happy to see them have enough food. They are eating well. And they love my food and they have my food in stomach, so I'm so happy. Tapamol she's very big. Pamol em đặt khăn này không đặt lực lại đâu vô buôn sân nó tay còn thay giật thang nó bên đây ta cho bên đây còn Okay, so as I mentioned above, I take some beef bone for them to chewing. Also, it's good for they clean their teeth. Okay, so I go. The other one has bone also. She's chewing. So I go to the next place now to feed 2 more dogs. They are waiting. Okay, thank you. See you next video. No. So we are coming to feed the 2 dogs that always scare the people. Đây nhà Chem. Đã. He already eats, but he always chase the other to eat, so we have to protect. So 2 of them must be eat away from the other because all of them will fight, and then we have to take care and protect them. If not, they will not have food. Okay. So she's done her food. Công vô tập bong pa vía con. Okay. Ate ani say hi. Okay, done. Okay, the mission is finished today for 1 pagoda in 3-4 places for feeding the animals. So I'm waiting until they finish the food, and then we bring the plate back clean, and then we go. Thank you so much for watching video from my YouTube channel. Thank you for your support. Please share and subscribe to have more video. Thank you, and see you next video. Thank you.